Èbùrẹ, Olùgbẹ. A guy broke up with his lover who was very dear to him, someone he had made many sacrifices for to make her happy. But he could not tolerate her indifference anymore, which kept happening over and over. So he decided to end the relationship. His sister contacted him recently, probably because his ex had talked to her and wanted an intervention. She chatted him in the weeds concerning it for him to explain his part. In his primordial form, it was a no. He had made up his mind not to revisit the case or have any connection with her. He had blocked her on all platforms for the fact that he doesn't keep tormentors around when he makes a decision. He either devour them or cut them off in totality. He was pissed, knowing it was about the matter he had sealed up. But then his sister said something that caught his attention. Èbùrẹ, Olùgbẹ. She knew how much he values wealth as an adept of mystical arts, Babalawo, and she used that very phrase. It was striking, bone aching, and punching. Even though he did not want to review the case, he was perplexed and left with no choice than to let her have her say. Words are a big deal to him. Words are spells to him. That is why we learn them as spell hymns. And he believes if you know how to watch your steps, well, you can walk on water. So, oya, you don't catch am. The word Èbùrẹ, Olùgbẹ literally means I come as a beggar with the little on my bowl. Please have mercy. It means that they are asking for your forgiveness or trying to calm you down. It is a phrase that is often used by a babalawo or those initiated or practitioners of Ifa and Ìṣẹ̀ṣe, which are traditional Yoruba systems. Let me break it down. It literally means the Ifa priest eats the Èbùrẹ herb and accepts the plea. Èbùrẹ is a plant that is used for medicinal and ritual purposes in Yoruba tradition. Ifa is a system of divination and communication with the spiritual realm. Ìṣẹ̀ṣe is a term that refers to the ancestral and cultural tradition of the Yoruba people. Note this: the botanical name for Èbùrẹ is Crassosephalum rubens plant. And this is a coincidence because this story was written by Rubens Odubaku. I am Omomijimo. See you next time.